Tara and I checking out the Beehive Upper Basin Trail today. Going up over 10,000 feet, which is pretty high for us.
There's a little thin.
About a mile in. There she is. Mile and a half in, just crossed over 9,000 feet, and that's where we're going. 9,500 feet. Pretty steep up through here. It's getting a little northeasty, a little rocky scrambly. We're up here, just under 10,000 feet.
Whoa.
Woohoo!
I'm coming.
Woohoo! Scrambling. Just went over 10,000 feet.
We did?
Yeah.
Yes!
Sweet, sweet downhill.
Yay!
Got it. Beehive Basin in the books. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Highly recommend.
So pretty.